again, ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome aboard this Ryanair flight FR250 taking you to Lanzarote. Flight time today is approximately 3 hours and 50 minutes. We're almost ready to depart, but for now may we have your full and complete attention while the cabin crew points out some of the safety features on board this Boeing 737-8200 series aircraft. This is for your safety and for the safety of the passengers around you, so please give them your full and complete attention.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ